Okay, we're outside working on our truck now. I have the Launch X431 throttle 3, and we're going to do the DEF override pump test, which is actually test the DEF injector. It'll do the flow test. We can see how the spray pattern is and the flow rate. So we'll go ahead and we'll start that now. It's already removed and they have a suitable container underneath. This tells you all the preconditions you need to meet. So our test is active. You might be able to hear the pump running, but this shows you it's at 139 psi. Remember, we wanted between 108 and 140. It's now spraying. It's in its dosing state. It has a timer. It actually shows you also your dosing rate. Pressure still looks good, 132, 123. So per your OEM, it may have a certain amount of time and a certain amount of fluid. You'll have to check the specs on it. We'll just stop the test now. We know everything's functioning right. Our spray pattern looks okay. And we'll just stop the test. You can stop it at any time and compare your time to your fluid ounces, and everything should match. So that's our DEF injector fluid test. It's called the DEF pump override test. It's usually what they'll call that in there. So that's how you perform that test.